Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this quick video, I'll show you the difference between a chamfer and a fillet in computer-aided designing and manufacturing. So I hope you like this video. Before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Now let's begin. So we are going to use SolidWorks to get a visual representation of what a fillet and a chamfer is. So fillets and chamfers are very important features in computer-aided designing and manufacturing, and even engineering as a discipline. They are both used mainly to reduce sharpness of edges from blocks. Now let's start with the fillet. So the fillet is a curved surface area on the corner of a block. Since it's a curved surface area, we need a radius. So we need a fillet radius and then we need a corner. So this is how a fillet looks like. You can see it's a curved surface area and all we need is a radius, and we apply the radius to the corner or the edge and we can see the fillet. Next is the chamfer. Now the chamfer, on the other hand, is not a curved surface area. It's a straight surface area or straight cut on the corner or on the edge of a block. So since it's a straight cut, all we need is the horizontal distance from the start point of the chamfer to the end point of the chamfer. And then we need an angle. So this angle will be the slope of the chamfer. And usually chamfers have an angle of 45 degrees. So with a horizontal distance of 20 millimeters applied to this edge, we can see a straight cut on the corner of the block. So that is what a chamfer is. They are both used to reduce the sharpness of edges, mainly in engineering and computer-aided designing and manufacturing. So these are very important and useful features you have to know when dealing with CAD softwares. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.